Hey guys, today I'm breaking down the costs of installing an HVAC system in your home. Let's dive right in and see what you're really paying for. First up, the type of system you choose plays a huge role. Central air conditioning? You're looking at around $2,200 to $5,200. If you're thinking about a ductless mini-split system, those are more energy efficient, but they'll set you back between $1,500 and $3,700 per unit. Heat pumps? They do both heating and cooling, and costs range between $3,000 and $6,000. The cheapest option? Window or portable AC units costing between $100 and $600 each. Now, consider your home size and layout. Larger homes need more powerful systems, which means higher costs. Multi-story homes might need zoned cooling and extra ductwork. Good insulation can help you save by reducing the system's capacity needed. Speaking of ductwork, if your home already has it, you're in luck. No ductwork means lower costs, but if you need new or modified ductwork, expect to pay an extra $1,500 to $3,700. Energy efficiency is another key factor. Systems with high SEER and HSPF ratings are more efficient but come with a higher price tag. Don't forget to check for rebates and tax incentives for these energy-efficient systems. And then there's labor and additional costs. Installation fees vary by region and contractor experience. Don't forget about permit fees, warranty extensions, and maybe even a smart thermostat installation. To cut costs, get multiple quotes from contractors. Look for rebates, especially for Energy Star units. Consider upgrading during the off-season like autumn or spring when prices can be lower. And proper home insulation, it can save you money by reducing the system's capacity needed. So there you have it. Understanding what goes into HVAC installation costs can really help you budget better. Take into account the system type, home size, energy efficiency, and potential rebates. Make an informed decision and you might just save some money in the process. Catch you in the next video.